Okay, you got kids in the hallway, kids in the room. Put your volume down or tell them to move over. Tell them to go to bed. Okay, so I'm trying to contact this guy. I couldn't contact him via Facebook on the phone. I'm still trying. Anyway, this is a show that we call What the Fuck is Going On? What the fuck is going on? So there's a lot of stuff that would like to see what the fuck is going on. And the issue here, I asked him for his phone number. He gave me his phone number. He doesn't know he doesn't even know he's on video. That's Patrick Duffy, and he's the guy that was a good friend with his father, Peter Duffy, that died, that ran the shoe place at King's Place. King's Place in Natchez. Anyway, it's been there for about a year. The stuff is still there. Nobody's there. So what the fuck is going on? So we're going to call. He doesn't know. He reads my bullshit. And we're going to try to see how this plays along. Volume. Okay.
What's going on, Mr. LeBlanc?
How you doing? Since you gave me your phone number on Facebook.
Oh, yeah, no, it's way easier just to call me. How you been anyway?
Doing good. You're on video.
Oh, am I?
You are on video.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yes, I know you didn't know that. So, I'm asking you, this is a new show. You're the first guest.
Okay.
And the title of the show is What the Fuck is Going On?
Well, I totally agree with you, Charles.
So anyway, so you tell me what the fuck is going on. Your store's been there. Listen, you have ADHD. I have ADHD. Your father had ADHD. We have to shut the fuck up. And I'm going to shut up and I let you tell the fucking people what the fuck is going on. Go ahead.
I don't really know what to tell you, Charles. Between this homeless situation, the government taking over the marijuana scene and completely tanking it when it could have made jobs for New Brunswickers, along with, I don't know, just about every other major fuck up that the New Brunswick government has made lately, I really don't know what to think, Charles.
Listen, are you a fucking idiot? What the fuck? I'm talking about your fucking store.
Okay.
What the fuck is going on? It's been shut down for about over a fucking year.
Well, the thing was I actually had a fella that was supposed to come work for me, and he basically backed out on me after he drugged it out for like 3 months, letting on like he was going to change provinces from New Brunswick to move up here, and then he decided last minute to stop answering my text messages. So I don't know what the heck to do there. Other than I'm going to put up a post here for a shoe man here, sir, a new shoe repair guy. I'm going to put it in the Gleaner and the Telegraph Journal down there.
The what?
The what? Telegraph Journal.
Oh, hold on. What the fuck is the Telegraph Journal?
That's the St. John newspaper.
No. It's called the fucking Irving St. John paper.
But in order to advertise for a new shoe guy, it doesn't matter what medium I use, I need a new shoe guy.
Irving St. John Irving paper.
Oh, no, I totally agree, brother, but in this case, I don't really care as long as it gets me a new shoe repair guy, so.
So when is that fucking store going open?
I have no clue, brother. I have to hire somebody. I literally have to find a new shoe guy. The last guy literally drugged me out for 3 months.
3 months?
He told me the first month, I'm going to need a couple weeks because me and my girlfriend are breaking up because she doesn't want to come to Fredericton. I said, okay, no problem. The second month, he said he had some stuff he had to close up before he left. And then into the third month, he said, basically, I'm going to need a loan when I get there because I'm going to be moving provinces. I said, no problem. I said, you're going to be making almost $20 an hour when you get here. No problem. Just, make your way here. I'll lend you the money to keep you going to get you started. And then 3 weeks later, the fellow just stopped answering my text messages. So he just left me high and dry after 3 months of leading me on like he was.
So the bottom line of this fucking bullshit, you need a fucking shoeman.
I do need a shoe repairman. I need a good quality shoe repairman. You're right, Charles.
Does that ever fucking exist in this day and age? Everybody's on the fucking smartphone.
Yeah, and that's it. And nobody actually does hands-on work, Charles. Hence, I actually had to go all the way to Halifax to try to find the fella who ended up just jerking my chain.
My God. So you're paying rent for a fucking year for nothing.
Yeah, basically, you got her, Charles. That's why I'm going to have to put in an advertisement this week here and see if I can't find myself a fella here.
Did you win the fucking lotto?
God, no, I wish, Charles. No, it's basically tapping out my other 2 stores just to keep that store going right now, brother.
So we're going to see some fucking action there soon, or?
I'm hoping, Charles. I'm hoping, brother. I really am.
How come you don't just sell the fucking merchandise there? You know, you got a lot of stuff, but that wouldn't be worthwhile?
No, it wouldn't nowhere near pay for the guy that works the counter.
Yeah. Well, thank you for fucking talking to me, and we'll just, maybe we'll see and then see what the fuck is going on, and we'll stay tuned.
No, for sure. Thanks.
So, anybody wants a shoe man, contact you or me.
Yeah, no, that's exactly.
Or anybody is a shoe man that wants to work, contact you or me.
You got it, brother.
Have a good day.
Thank you, Charles.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. So now we know what the fuck is going on, and so it's if you know somebody that's a fucking shoemaker, that's what it is. So by the way, I don't mean any, just having some fun, just, you know, what the fuck is going on. So that was my first episode. Should it be my last? Let me know. Shoe man wanted in Fredericton.